Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to apply different formatting to numbers, to unformatted numbers and columns. And for example, here I have entered numbers which are unformatted form, and I want to convert this to currency form so that I can do through two different ways. The first, if I want to add a dollar sign to these unformatted numbers, I just need to press Control Shift and dollar sign button simultaneously on my keyboard, and it is automatically converted. The dollar sign is added and is written in this format. I convert this back to the same number and want to add the second way. The second way is that to come here on the Home tab in the number group, click on the drop down menu over here, and you can add different currency signs. For example, you can add Chinese currency sign, Euro, and United Kingdom. I click on this. So I add this sign, and I can even change this from here, go to dollars, and from here I can back go to uh, Chinese currency sign. So this way I can add and change the currency sign to unformatted numbers. And similarly, I remove the sign and I want to put this into another form. I click on the drop down menu and I convert this to accounting, date, time, percentage. For example, if I take a percentage and I click OK, it converts in, it add the percentage sign to the numbers I've added and write them in percentage. Similarly, if I want to change this to fraction, I can click on fraction and click OK. It takes me back to this format. Okay, in the case of fraction, I can add to how many digits I can go. For example, here 2 digits up to this much digit and so on. And if I want to convert this to decimal, so decimal places here needed, you can change this to 3, 2, and I click OK. It is now written in the scientific format 1.4 into 10 to the power 3 and so on. So I can change the formatting of numbers through different ways from the number group and on Home tab. Thanks for watching.